today's video, I'll be installing a 7x5 glueless unit sent to me by UNice Hair. This wig is called the Bye Bye Knots wig, and it is a black yaki textured wig with bleached knots. So let's get straight into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we've got some hair from UNice Hair. It's a closure wig. I've never tried a closure in my life and I'm very excited. It is a yaki textured wig, 22 inches I believe. Guys, look at the packaging. From time that the packaging is pink, I'm sold. Like anything pink, love, love, love. The melt band that they gave me, pink. The press on nails that they gave me, pink. What else was pink? The bag, the wig bag, is also pink. I've never actually tried yaki textured hair before, and I've never tried a closure wig either. So the plan is I want to layer the hair and have it in like, not curtain bangs, but I do want to have it like, you know, like a curled kind of. When I put it together, you guys will understand what I'm talking about. Let me even show you guys the hair. I don't know if I'm going to keep this footage in or if I'm just going to do a voiceover, but we'll see. Okay, so guys, this hair is pre-plucked and pre-bleached. A lot of wigs, normally they do say that, but they're not pre-plucked or pre-bleached for real. Look at the hairline on this wig. Guys, look at the hairline. When they said pre-bleached and pre-plucked, they weren't lying. So obviously a change of plan, because I was going to bleach it myself. I'm not going to do that anymore. I don't think I need to pluck it anymore either. So yeah, we can actually just get straight into this install. In fact, I might hot comb it a little bit on the mannequin head. Now I'm going to use my olive oil serum to straighten the hair track by track. One thing I love about customizing wigs on mannequin heads is that it's just so much easier to straighten it track by track. And when you straighten hair track by track, it tends to stay straight for way longer. It really didn't take me that long to straighten this hair, and guys, look at the volume. Then I went in with my Care wax stick and I started to hot comb the hair. So I made sure that when I was hot combing, I flick up the front. I do this on all of my wigs. Just, it really makes a difference. Just make sure that you're flicking up the front. Then I made sure that the top was flat. And then that is our wig customized, and that is done. I'm now back, have some makeup on, and I've got the wig here. I did hot comb it and straighten it. Guys, it looks still good. Like, do you see how much volume this hair has? Like, I've never had yaki texture before, but it's perfect. So because it's a closure, I did leave like pieces out over here of my natural hair, and it matches the texture of my hair, which is great. And we're gonna see what we can do to style it. I'm shocked at the way that the hairline is plucked though, because I've never bought a wig where pre-plucked actually meant pre-plucked. This is the first time. I did not touch this wig. I did not bleach it. I did not pluck it. Like, guys, are you seeing it? So anyway, let's get straight into the install. Any day that I don't have to do the bowl cap method is a good day. So I literally put on a wig cap and then I put the wig on, put the clip in the back, and then that was it. So here's me just adjusting the hairline to where I want it to be, and then here's me just combing back the hair. So before gluing down the wig, I did pin back the front just because nobody wants flyaways stuck on the glue. So this is actually a glueless wig, so I don't actually have to glue it down, but I'm going to keep it on my head for more than one day. And even though the lace is already pre-cut, I did decide to cut off a tiny bit, but I really didn't spend long doing this because this is a very low maintenance wig. Guys, I understand why girls be getting closures now, because it is so low maintenance. Now we're just going in with bold hold. Guys, I love bold hold. I don't think I'll ever switch on my lace glue, but I'm just doing a few layers, making sure that it dries clear before I lay down the lace. I look so angry when I'm installing wigs. Like, guys, I promise I'm a happy person. Like, I don't know why I look this angry, but anyway, then I go in with the blow dryer. Once again, make sure that the glue dries clear before you lay down the lace. And then I'm just combing through the lace, making sure that there's no ripples. Now, if we're being completely honest, I could get away with going out like this. Obviously, we're not done, but if I wanted to be done, I could be right now. Then I just used a makeup brush to apply some concealer on the lace, just to see if I could get it to blend in with my skin a little bit more. Now we're just gonna hot comb some more, flick up the front again, flatten the top. Now this is what you call a low maintenance wig, but once again, we are not done. We're not done yet. So now we're gonna layer the hair. I know the kind of look I'm going for, but I've actually never layered hair on purpose before. So I'm just gonna take 2 strands from the front, 1 on each side, make sure that they're kind of even. Now, I know everyone's probably thinking those are not even at all. I said kind of, so we're just gonna go with this. It's alright, it'll be okay. So I started off with scissors, just cutting downwards in like a diagonal kind of direction. You can see what I'm doing. It's kind of difficult to explain how I'm cutting this, but just watch what I'm doing. I did end up switching to a blade just because I found this much easier than the scissors, so that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so everybody is probably thinking, what is this girl doing? If I'm being 100% honest, I have never layered hair before. Well, not properly anyway. Like, I've layered hair by accident, like years ago when I first started buying wigs, like 4 years ago. But I think I may be onto something here. So the hairstyle I'm doing, obviously the layers do not have to be even anyway because I'm gonna curl the hair. I just want it to look like it has more volume. So, as long as the front is significantly shorter than the rest, then I think my layering is okay. And obviously I do look crazy right now, but I know what I'm doing, guys. Guys, look at how much volume this hair has already though. Imagine once we add the curls and like, you know. So now we're just gonna put on a melt band and then we're gonna start curling the hair. This melt band is super cute, like guys, look at it. It is so cute. Okay, so I have now cut my layers in the hair. So we're gonna go on to curling it. I've got my curling iron right here. This is a Phil Smith Be Gorgeous curling iron. I believe I got it from Amazon. I bought that a while ago, so I don't remember, but I think it was from Amazon. So I'm gonna start with curling the back first. Yeah, so we're gonna work back to front because the front I'm gonna put them in rollers. Yeah, so let's get into it. This part is going to be a voiceover, so yeah. So I started off with a small section at the back, then I sprayed it with Got To Be just to try and hold the curls a bit longer. I feel like curling hair is very monotonous, so of course I was singing while doing this. I would put all that footage in, however, I know I'd get copyrighted. But just know I was having a really good time. Okay guys, little update. I have done half of my head. So I've curled this half. Now I'm curling these sections. I did cut the front a bit shorter. So I'm probably gonna, well, I'm gonna have to do the same on this side. But I'll do that when I get to that part. And we're gonna put a roller in the front and see how that goes. So yeah. Okay, so I look very crazy right now. Let me just put some more Got To Be in these curls. Okay, so we've got these rollers here. I'm literally just gonna put one roller in the center of my head. So it's gonna be a bit of this hair, a bit of that hair curled up in one roller at the front. I've never used hair rollers before. This should come out quite nicely. So I'm not gonna speak because I need to be focused, but I feel like this much hair and maybe that much. Okay, cool. And I'm gonna curl it away from my face. Okay, how do you get curlers? They just stay. Oh, they just stay. Well, I'm gonna leave that like that for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna clean up my room because in here's a mess. Guys, you know after you install a wig and your whole room is just chaos, like in here is disgusting. So I'm gonna leave these in for about maybe half an hour, clean up in here, come back, take them out, and then show you guys the end result because we're gonna comb these out a little bit as well. So yeah. Okay, so I'm back and we're gonna take this roller out. It's been about 20 minutes. I don't know if that's long enough, but I'm ready to take this out. I don't know if it's gonna do the thing I want it to do. Like I want it to, you know? So before I do that, I'm gonna take the melt band off just because I've had it on for ages now. Guys, look at the melt. Wait, hold on. You cannot make this up. Look at the melt, guys. I might add some more foundation. Okay, let's take this out. Okay. Guys, I feel like this is just pulling the curl. You know what? I can fix this in a minute. I'm now gonna get a comb them out a little bit, and then I'm gonna hot comb the top and see what it looks like. I feel like I'm not used to having a wig with no edges. See the way that this wig is, I have enough space to actually do edges if I really wanted to, but I don't think I actually want any edges. I could do edges right now because the wig has got enough space to cut out edges, like here and there. I don't actually want any edges. I think once I comb this out, and it's just gonna look real cute, so let's go do that. Okay, so I'm using a wide tooth comb just to comb this out just a little bit, like not too much. This look is very cute, but we're gonna hot comb it to literally just lift these parts a little bit and then flatten the top. Now, I don't know how I'm doing all of that hot combing and I still managed to miss a spot. So guys, for the rest of the video, we're just gonna ignore that one flyaway at the top of my head because I don't know why it is there. But anyway, minus the flyaway, isn't she so pretty? Doesn't this hair just look so good? Like guys, this might be my new favorite look. I think this is very cute. And you know what, I'm gonna tell you guys something. You know the front, like the very front is not glued down right now. Like I glued down here, I glued there, but you see this section over here, it's not glued down. And it is pretty much invisible. I love this hair. And I understand why girls be getting closures now, because gluing ear to ear, sometimes it's just a lot. But I'm happy. Love, love, love. The hair is very full. Like, I need to check what density this is. I'm gonna put it on the screen because I'm actually not sure, but guys, so I don't think I actually explained what came in the UNice. I don't know if it's UNice or UNice. I think it's pronounced UNice, but I didn't actually explain what came in the box. 2 pairs of HD wig caps. Love, love, love. Obviously the pink melt band that I was wearing throughout the video. And it's one of the Velcro ones, so like, I really like that. You know the bag that you can keep the wig in? So a cute silk pink wig bag. It also came with some press-on nails. Like, I love how the theme is pink because I feel like everyone who knows me knows I love pink. Like, pink is my favorite color. Everything I own is pink, like, you know? This unit has a pre-plucked hairline. As you can see, I did not pluck anything. I didn't bleach the knots either. In fact, this wig, the unit is literally called Bye Bye Knots wig. So, you know, who does not love a low maintenance wig? It's 20 inches from UNice Hair. This might be one of my favorite looks. But anyway guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.